Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. As we have completed this chapter, soil, so today we are going to discuss short question answers. Okay, first let's check yesterday's homework, which was on page number 49, MCQs and match the following. Right, first let's check this. First one, which of this does not help in the formation of soil? Means in the options, there are machines, rain, sun, and wind. Now, from this, who does not help in the formation of soil? कौन help नहीं करता है? Right? So, machine, rain, sun, or wind? Yes, the correct answer is machine. Because the formation of soil is the natural process. Right? So, who help in rain, sun, and wind? Not machine. Second, these are the larger or coarser particle of soil. Means these are larger in size. Right? So minerals, humus, sand or clay. So the correct answer is sand. Next, soil contain this. Now, as we have known that soil is made up of minerals, organic matter, right? Air, water, right? In the mineral, there are, yes, three parts: sand, clay, and silt. So, soil contain air, water, and sand. And the last option is all of this. So, as soil contains three of the things, so the correct answer is all of this. Fourth one, the uppermost layer of soil is called dash. The uppermost, the up layer is called, yes, topsoil. Fifth one, which of this is the smallest particle in the soil? Means it is very small in size, smallest particle. Silt, humus, sand or clay. So the answer is clay. Clay is the smallest particle. Now come on, match the following. Number first, soil. So let's see the options. Option A makes the soil fertile. Option B, top layer of the earth. Option third, below the subsoil. Option fourth, the smallest particle of soil. Or option fifth, can blow away soil. So soil is the top layer of the earth, right? So the correct answer is second one. Then second one, that is humus in the question part. Okay, what humus do? Yes, it makes the soil fertile, right? It is of dead plants and animals. It get mixed with the soil and it makes the soil fertile. So second answer is number first. Come to third one, wind. Now because of wind, what happens? Yes, the top soil get blow away, right? So the correct answer is number fifth, can blow away soil. Then clay. Clay is the smallest particle of soil, right? So the answer is fourth one, fourth answer. Fifth one, bedrock. Now, as we have learned layers of soil, the uppermost was topsoil, then the layer which is below the topsoil is called subsoil, right? And the layer which is below the subsoil, it is called bedrock, right? So fifth answer is number third. I hope you all have written the answer correctly. If it is any changes, any mistake, do the correction. Okay? So today we are going to discuss short answer question. Right? So come to page number 50. There are only 4 short answer question. Okay? I am going to discuss now. Then you will write this in the notebook. Number first, what is soil? So what is soil, children? Yes, it is the top layer of the earth. Right. What is soil? It is the top layer of the earth in which plants grow. Right. Second one, what is soil made up of? Soil किससे बना है? Soil के अंदर क्या है? Right. So soil is made up of, yes, it contains sand, silt and clay. Number third, what is humus? How is it important to plants? So first we will write the answer, what is humus? So what is humus, children? The remains of dead plants and animals. Right? It is known as humus and it is important, right? As it makes the soil fertile. Right? So you will write like this. The remains of dead plants and animals is known as humus. It makes the soil fertile. Come to next, name the layers of soil. So, we have learned in the topic layers of soil. How many layers soil has? Yes, 3 layers. The 3 main layers of soil are topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Right? So, here we have completed our discussion short answer question. Right? So, today your homework is to write this one word for the following and 2 examples. Right? Today what you are going to do in homework? You are going to write one word and 2 example in the test book, which is on page number 49 and 50. Okay? So bye, take care, see you tomorrow.